Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day. My name is Muhammad Izwan bin Ismail. My metric number is S54421 and my supervisor is Encik Muhammad Rizal bin Ismail. My topic for research is driver angel in Malaysia, the relationship between gender roles and appraisal made while driving. First of all, I want to introduce for overview my presentation. For the first introduction, second research objective, and methodology, result and discussion, and lastly conclusion. For the introduction, the great majority of road accidents, about 90% until 95%, involve human error in the causal chain. Therefore, it's not surprising that anger can also lead to accidents. This bad attitude can cause discomfort to other drivers who are on the road. Driver condition such as anger also contribute to subsequent mistake accident. Anger driver were found violent traffic light and also driving at speeds above the posted speed limit. Popular opinion say that road rage is becoming more common and dangerous in urban driving environments. Whether this opinion is supported by facts or not, driver frustration is in congested areas can lead to an increase in aggressive driving, less deliberate driving, and many more common subsets of road rage. Research believe that significant safety benefit can be released if transportation professionals gain a better understanding of the various road factors and characteristics of a congested driving environment that cause stress and can contribute to aggressive driving. My objective for this research is this study aim to find out whether gender had any relationship with road rage. Research methodology is the focus and how the research will be conducted. This research methodology is made to solve and conclude the research problems and objective for this topic. For my research, I used two methods, which is questionnaire and simple experimental method. For the questionnaire, the survey method used a questionnaire related to aggressive behavior while driving among women or drivers who already have a family. In addition, include the behavior and emotion of the driver can arouse anger and lead to dangerous driving be the cause of aggressive behavior. Also include items asking about driving experience and the frequency of traffic violation. For the simple experimental method, will be using video of risky driving situation accident to elicit a response from the subject. For the result and discussion, road rage is attributed as a function of human behavior to a much greater extent than as a function for external cause. We see more evidence of the problem driver. Again, we do not propose to examine the media accurately with regard to depicting the cause of road rage, because of the absence of empirical research examining the frequency with which various factors influence on driving behavior. It remaining extremely difficult to determine those factors that are most likely to cause road rage. Despite this difficult, it appears the society prefer approach to dealing with road rage problem driver large involve punitive section. Although good intention typically result in such response, several question the effectiveness of punitive reaction in attention to control of reform human behavior. And lastly, for the conclusion, the study reported above examined driving injury in a sample of drivers from Malaysia. Sex and gender roles also contribute to the relationship between trade injury, appraisal, and injury intensity. Indeed, female endos reporting more masculine trait tend to experience more trade and driver injury, which encourage more negative appraisal at subsequent state injury. That drivers who engage in risky behavior do so because they not believe they will get caught. They underestimate the cited risk, and most importantly, their friend and family also undergo the same behavior. Thank you.